Hi, I'm Will from Ocular Charging, and today we're going to walk you through the installation process of the Ocular Atlas DC charger. The Atlas charges two vehicles simultaneously and is available in either 60, 90, 120, 150 and 180 kilowatt output configurations. All the models have a similar installation process, but please be aware that the 150 and 180 systems have a physically bigger footprint, so please refer to the installation documentation and plan ahead. The installation process is simple because the systems become pre-configured. All you need to do is mount the charger, wire the power cabling, supply an internet connection, and complete post-installation testing. Remember, only a licensed electrician can install the chargers, and all relevant safety procedures and standards must be followed. Be sure that the electrical circuit is isolated appropriately before work commences. Start by preparing the foundation by spacing bolt and conduit entry as shown in the installation guide and on the screen. Use a forklift or crane to position the charger. Once aligned, use bolts to fasten the charger to concrete foundation. To access a termination point inside the system, open up the side door, then unhook the latches securing the front door. Next, remove the internal baffles to access the termination block. Bring the power cabling through the bottom of the unit and connect it to the marked terminals. For most common applications, the charger will need a reliable internet connection. There are two options, hardwired Ethernet or using the built-in 4G modem. If you're using a 4G connection, it's likely that the SIM card has arrived pre-installed. However, if it is not, you can insert it now. To do so, ensure the charger is appropriately isolated and G-energized. Open the front door of the charger and insert the SIM card into the slot mounted inside the door. For Ethernet connection, run the data cabling through the data cable entryway, then route it up through the door and connect to the LAN plug. Before energizing the charger, ensure all connections are secure and then provide power to the system. You should see the LED lights illuminate and the screen will come on. It's now time to complete post-installation testing following AS/NZS 3000 Section 8. Once the charger is powered on, you can check the status of the internet connection using the front screen of the charger. These icons indicate the status of the system. If they are white, it's connected. If it's gray, it's disabled. And if it's white with an exclamation mark, it has failed to connect. This icon indicates the OCPP connection status of the system. This icon indicates the Ethernet connection status. This one indicates the 4G connection status. And finally, this one indicates the Wi-Fi connection status. While the hardware installation is now being complete, it's likely that you have purchased some charger management software to help monitor the performance of the system and potentially to bill the end users for their charging sessions. If this is the case, please contact your provider to ensure that all required configuration steps have been completed and that the system is online and ready to use. That's it. Your Ocular Atlas DC fast charger is now installed and ready to charge. For more detailed instructions and troubleshooting, please refer to the DC Atlas installation guide. For more information about this and our complete range of chargers, please visit ocularcharging.com.au, and thanks for watching.